Anna's new bike. Chapter 1, Anna's surprise. Anna was a happy girl. She was 8 years old. She had short brown hair and big brown eyes. She lived in a small house with her mom and dad. Anna loved to play outside. She liked to run, jump, and ride her scooter. Every day after school, she went outside to play with her friends. They played tag, kicked a ball, and told funny stories. But there was one thing Anna could not do: ride a bike. Anna always watched her friends ride their bikes in the park. Some bikes were small, and some were big. Some were blue, and some were green. Anna liked the red bikes the best. She smiled when she saw them go fast. Sometimes she felt sad. She wanted a bike, too. She wanted to ride like her friends. One morning, Anna woke up early. The sun was shining through her window. Birds were singing outside. She sat up in bed and smiled.
It's my birthday today.
She jumped out of bed and ran to the kitchen. Her mom and dad were waiting for her. They had big smiles on their faces.
Happy birthday, Anna.
Anna gave them a big hug.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
Are you ready for a surprise?
Anna's eyes got big.
A surprise? Yes.
Come outside. Let's go to the backyard.
Anna walked quickly to the back door. Her heart was beating fast. She opened the door and stepped outside.
Look over there.
Anna turned her head. Under the tree next to the garden was something shiny and red. It had 2 wheels, a small black seat, and a silver bell. Anna gasped.
Is that a bike?
Her mom smiled.
Yes, it is. It's your new birthday bike.
Anna ran to the bike. She touched the handlebars. She rang the little bell. Ding, ding. She looked at the basket in front. It was perfect for her toys or a snack.
It's so beautiful. Is it really mine?
Yes, it's all yours. Happy birthday.
Anna laughed.
Thank you. I love it.
She walked around the bike and looked at every part. The red paint was shiny in the sun. The tires were big and new. The seat looked soft and comfortable.
I've never had a bike before. I can't wait to ride it.
Her mom gave her a helmet.
Let's start tomorrow. We will help you learn.
Anna nodded. She was very happy. She looked at her new bike again. This was the best birthday ever. Chapter 2, Learning to Ride. The next morning, Anna woke up early. The sky was blue and the sun was shining. She ran to the window and looked outside. Her new red bike was still under the tree. It looked beautiful in the morning light. She quickly got dressed. She put on her t-shirt, jeans, and sneakers. Then she ran to the kitchen.
Good morning, Anna.
Good morning. Can I ride my bike today?
Of course. Let's go outside.
Anna smiled and ran to the backyard. Her dad brought her helmet.
Safety first.
He said. Anna put on her helmet. It was pink with white stars. She felt excited and a little nervous.
I've never ridden a bike before.
That's okay. I will help you.
He showed her how to get on the bike. She sat on the seat. Her feet touched the ground. She held the handlebars.
Hold the handlebars straight. Keep your eyes forward.
Anna nodded.
Okay, I'm ready.
Dad held the back of the seat.
Now push the pedals with your feet.
Anna pushed one foot down. The bike moved a little.
Good. Keep pedaling.
Anna started to pedal slowly. The bike moved forward. Her dad was walking behind her, holding the seat.
I'm riding.
Yes, you are. You're doing great.
But after a few seconds, Anna stopped.
I feel like I will fall.
That's normal. Let's try again.
They tried again. This time, Anna rode for a little longer. She wobbled from side to side, but she didn't fall. Dad was still holding the bike.
You're doing better. Keep going.
Anna smiled. She liked the wind in her face. She liked the sound of the wheels on the ground. She was starting to have fun. They practiced again and again. Anna's legs got tired, but she didn't want to stop. Each time she rode a little farther. Each time Dad held the seat less. After one try, she looked back.
Dad, you're not holding the bike.
That's right. You were riding by yourself.
Anna couldn't believe it. She was really riding a bike.
I did it. I really did it.
She shouted.
Yes, you did. I'm proud of you.
Anna laughed. She felt proud too. Her hands hurt a little and her legs were tired, but she didn't care.
Can we practice again tomorrow?
Of course. We can ride every day.
Anna looked at her red bike. She felt happy and strong. She couldn't wait to ride more. Chapter 3. The Big Fall. The next day, Anna was ready to ride again. She put on her helmet and walked with her dad to the park. The sun was shining and a soft wind was blowing. The park was quiet in the morning. Only a few people were walking their dogs. Anna climbed onto her red bike. She felt excited.
Are you ready?
Yes!
She started to pedal. The bike moved forward. This time, her dad didn't hold the seat. Anna was riding by herself. She smiled.
Look, Dad. I'm doing it again.
Yes, you are. Good job, Anna.
Anna felt the wind in her hair. She turned left, then right. She was learning how to control the bike.
I love this!
She shouted. But then she saw something ahead. A small rock was on the path. She didn't know what to do.
Turn, Anna.
Anna tried to turn, but she turned too fast. The front wheel hit the rock. The bike shook.
Whoa!
Said Anna. Then, boom! She fell to the ground.
Ow!
She cried. Her bike was on its side. Her hands were on the ground. Her knee hurt. Dad ran to her.
Anna, are you okay?
Anna looked at her hands. They were a little red. She looked at her knee. There was a small cut.
It hurts!
She said, almost crying. Dad helped her sit up.
It's just a little fall. You're going to be okay.
Anna looked at her bike. It was still on the ground. She felt scared now.
I don't want to ride anymore.
Dad nodded.
It's okay to be scared. Falling is part of learning.
Anna shook her head.
What if I fall again?
You might, but you're strong. You can get up and try again.
Anna didn't answer. She looked at her red bike. She still loved it. She wanted to ride it again, but she was afraid. Her dad opened his backpack. He took out a small bandage and put it on her knee.
There, all better.
He said with a smile. Anna smiled a little too.
Let's rest for a bit, then we can decide what to do.
They sat on the grass. Anna drank some water. She looked at other kids riding their bikes in the park. Some rode fast, some slow. One little boy fell too, but he got up and started again. Anna watched him.
He fell like me.
Yes, but he didn't give up.
Anna stood up slowly.
I want to try again.
Dad smiled.
That's my girl.
He helped her get on the bike again. Anna took a deep breath and started to pedal. Her knee still hurt a little, but her heart felt strong. Chapter 4. A Trip to the Park. The next Saturday was sunny and warm. Anna woke up early. She was very happy.
Dad, can we go to the park today?
She asked at breakfast. Dad smiled.
Of course. Let's take your bike.
Anna clapped her hands.
Yes! I love my bike!
After breakfast, Anna put on her helmet. She wore her favorite blue shirt and shorts. Dad packed some snacks and water in a small bag. Anna held her red bike with both hands.
Ready?
Ready!
They walked together to the big park near their house. Birds were singing and children were laughing. It was a beautiful day. At the park, Anna got on her bike. She started to pedal slowly. Dad walked beside her.
Let's go around the lake.
Anna nodded. Okay. The path around the lake was long and smooth. Trees gave them shade and ducks swam in the water.
Look at the ducks. They are so cute.
Dad smiled.
Yes, and they look very happy.
Anna rode her bike slowly, enjoying the view. She saw flowers, dogs, and families having picnics.
Riding a bike is fun. I feel free.
Yes, and you are getting better every day.
They stopped near a bench. Anna drank some water and ate a small cookie.
Do you want to ride a little faster?
Anna thought for a moment.
Yes, I want to try.
She got on her bike again and started to pedal faster. The wind blew in her face. Her hair moved behind her. She laughed.
Whee!
She shouted. Dad ran after her.
Not too fast.
Anna slowed down. Okay. They rode past a group of kids. Some had bikes, too. One girl with a yellow helmet waved at Anna.
Hi.
The girl said.
Hi!
Anna replied. Anna stopped her bike and looked at the girl.
Do you want to ride together?
Yes, my name is Mia.
I'm Anna.
The two girls smiled. They started to ride together. They talked about their bikes, school, and favorite colors.
I love red.
I love purple.
They laughed and rode around the lake again. Dad walked behind them, happy to see Anna having fun. After a while, they stopped near a big tree.
Let's rest here.
Anna and Mia sat on the grass. They ate some snacks and drank water.
You're a good rider.
Thanks. I just learned.
Mia smiled.
You look like a pro.
Anna laughed.
Thank you.
Later, it was time to go home.
Goodbye, Mia.
Bye, Anna. Let's ride again soon.
Anna and her dad walked home. Her bike was a little dirty, and her legs were tired, but her heart was full.
That was the best day.
Dad smiled.
I'm proud of you.
Anna looked at her bike and nodded.
Me too.
Chapter 5, Racing with Friends. The next Saturday, the sun was shining again. Anna woke up early, full of energy. She looked out the window and smiled.
It's a perfect day for riding.
After breakfast, she grabbed her helmet and ran outside with her red bike. Dad opened the door.
Where are you going so fast?
He asked, laughing.
To the park. I hope Mia is there.
Dad nodded.
Let's go then.
At the park, Anna saw a group of kids near the big tree. Mia was there, and so were 2 other children. Anna! Mia shouted.
Come join us.
Anna ran over.
Hi, Mia. Who are your friends?
This is Leo.
Said Mia, pointing to a boy with a green bike.
And this is Sarah.
She added, pointing to a girl with a pink helmet.
Hi.
Anna said.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Said Leo.
Want a race?
A race?
Anna asked, a little nervous.
It's just for fun.
Said Sarah.
We go around the lake, not too fast.
Anna looked at her red bike. She felt a little scared, but she also felt excited.
Okay,
She said.
let's try.
The 4 friends lined up near the path.
Ready?
Ready, everyone answered.
Go.
They started to pedal. Anna felt the wind on her face again. Mia was a little ahead. Sarah was beside her. Leo was behind. Anna pedaled harder. She passed a tree, then a bench. She could hear the sound of bikes and laughter.
Go, Anna.
Shouted Dad from the side. Anna smiled. She was having fun. Mia looked back.
You're fast, Anna.
Anna laughed.
So are you.
They all rode around the lake, smiling and laughing. When they reached the big tree again, they stopped.
Who won?
Who cares? That was fun.
Everyone agreed. They all sat on the grass, tired but happy.
You ride very well now, Anna.
Anna smiled.
Thanks. I was scared before, but now I love riding.
Want to do another race later?
Yes, let's race every Saturday.
Deal.
Anna looked at her friends, then at her bike. She felt proud. She remembered her first ride, her fall, and how she kept trying.
I'm really glad I got my bike.
I am too. You've learned a lot.
Anna nodded.
And I made new friends.
They packed their things and got ready to go home.
See you next week.
Bye!
Anna waved. As they walked home, Anna held her bike with one hand and Dad's hand with the other. She smiled. Learning to ride was just the beginning. What do you think about Anna's journey with her new bike?